Alrighty guys, welcome back to another daily adventure. Incense, how you doing? Hope all's well. Okay, we're literally right after we recorded yesterday's episode. So not too much has changed as far as my XP, but I will still show it at the end of the video, see how much XP I've gained since I've stopped filming the last episode, because I've probably just hung around and checked a couple clusters. I still haven't taken those gyms over there. I might, but I figure in this episode, let's see how many routes we could do. We'll go around, we'll do this, and then we'll do the same route, but we'll come back this way. Should be able to do it twice. Knock out 2 more routes trying to get a medal that I'm working on. Somebody posted in my chat they got the platinum medal, which I believe is 600, so that's a little ridiculous what we're gonna go for. First one though, Buneri. Alright, Buneri caught. Ooh, cluster, a wild Buneri. Failed quick catch attempt. Okay, Caterpie. Caterpie, be nice to me. We got another Binnacle. Shout out you, Binnacle. It will be your spotlight hour technically today now. Caterpie. Alright, we're ticking them off now. We're ticking them off. Let's go. Oh yeah, so let me get y'all caught up in the series if you're new here. We're trying to catch all of the legendary birds on the daily incense. And so far I've caught a Moltres with a Master Ball. Seen Articuno many times, haven't caught it, and have yet for the series to see a Zapdos. So you're all caught up there, and stay tuned to the end of the episode. I'll see if we got any more zeros and hundos. And also on Pineapple and Eevees till I get to 10k candy. 9,099. Wimpod. Yo, we're gonna have a lot of, I don't have any like stops in this route that we need to do unless there's a fat cluster, but that's a water type. Okay. A wild Combusken. Combusken. However you pronounce that one. I will spin some Pokestops here. A Mareep. Oh, wild. Okay, not on the daily. I thought that was my daily. Shroomish wild. Still need that shiny. Meowth on the daily though. 500 dust. If I catch it. Oh, I'm slacking again. I don't have Mewtwo out. I'm slacking. Ah, weather boosted. 625. Hold on, what I got? I want to trade a Pokemon? I can't do that right now. Can't do that right now. Earn 2 candies walking with your buddy. Oh, Jesus. My buddy is like 25. Yo, we got a Ralts though. I'll worry about that later. Oh, that curve though. Hold up. Alright, Ralts down. Wild Buneri. It's gotta be Buneri nest. Let me chuck a ball at you. You gotta be water type. You are. I need you. Perfect. Wild Durant. Ooh, Mankey on the daily. Cool. You know what? I'll give you a Pineapple. I want to get my Mankey candies back up there. Low-key, one of the GOATs, one of the best Pokemon of all time. Just saying, you know, most of Gen 1, all of Gen 1 is like goats. Wild Duskull. Young goose. In the wild. Okay, Quaxley off the daily. I'll take that for the water type, whatever. Oh, if I could chuck a ball at it. Alright, that's 5 water type right there. Hi, kitty kitty, it's okay. There's always a pack of cats right here. Oh, what's off the daily here? Bidoof? No? Wild? Okay. Meowth? No, but I'll take it anyways. It's the Staravia, however you pronounce it. Can I click it? Oh, Staraptor. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm curious about your stats. Wow, this thing was being feisty, yo. I just gotta check. I just had to check it, man. I had to. Mateo, what's good with you? Yes, we'll exchange a gift. Add sticker. We'll go here. Boom. Take it. What are we gonna get though? Is this one gonna be from Japan? Hey, another one from Japan. We're not gonna pronounce the name. With all due respect, I don't want to butcher nothing. A sticker and 2 revives. It's great. Let me zoom in real quick. Do I see any Zygarde cells? Nah, I guess I'm not gonna get one on this route. It's cool. Complete the route. Yes. How many times I've done this one now? 29? Okay. Okay. 3,000. Easy 4,000 XP. Hold on now. Excellent throw incoming. Never mind, I lied. Alrighty guys, before the video gets underway, I have to do a little shameless plug and to thank my sister for making all of the merch, designing the merch, buying the equipment to make the merch. So if you like what you see, come to the first pinned comment down below. If you want to support us in any way, come to the website, check us out, because why not? And yeah, we now have Survivor 3 merch. Check out the first pinned comment. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. Oh well. We got a Drowsy. That's not Drowsy. Get out of here, Venipede. Drowsy. Hey, buddy. Excellent throw right here, though. He jumps. He jumps. No. Alright, we started another route. We have just under 5 minutes. Let's see what speed walking, not stopping. What can we get spawning in? Let me just take my Gatorade out of my pocket so you don't hear that thing going off the whole time. I heard something spawn in. Hello? Hello? Must have been this deer lane. Oh dear. Hey, nah, never mind, not an excellent. Alright, low key, where are my spawns at? Quick Coco. Oh, I didn't quick catch it. Alright, next on the line, Cricket's out on the daily. We're cutting through the grass, we're taking shortcuts. Let's go. I'm in a rush. I want to see if I can do this in under 5 minutes. A timber. Timber on today's daily. Okay. I see you. Let me know right now down in the comments below how many Pokemon on today's daily adventure. Is that Durant still here? Is this the same? It's the same Durant. We got an Aerodactyl though. Ooh. shiny, I'm gonna definitely. 2300 Aerodactyl? I mean, okay. He's feisty. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Let's go. Checking it at the end. I almost checked it. I always love coming right here for all these Pokestops. Oh, the Pokestops. Give them to me. Gosh. What's the next one? Pikipek. What's up, Pikipek? Yeah, even the Pikipek's gonna be a little feisty. It's all good. Purloin in the wild. No. Ooh, Growlithe. Nice little Growlithe on the daily. It's too bad he's wandering away. It's cool. Probably knew he was gonna get sent to the professor anyways. Ooh, hold on now. There's an Inkay. I do want that. Shine. Oh, look at the work, y'all. Look at the work. Flip it to the Ultra Ball. Hit that excellent quick catch. Get out of here. We got it. Oh, he's still out here. I'll throw that at you. Pikipek. Another Pikipek on the daily. Pikipek done. Another Swaddle. Wait, is that a Quaxley? Yeah, I need that water type. I need to hit it too. Oh, well. Oh, we're done already. Okay, 15 Pokemon caught. We didn't get to the end of the route. Dang. More than halfway. It's okay. 15 Pokemon caught, 744 meters on today's adventure. The highlight on this one is probably going to have to be the Strumbeak, whatever that one was called, or the Aerodactyl. Yeah, probably the Aerodactyl. Oh, shiny check on the Furfrou. Dang it. Excellent throw. Okay. Shiny Feebas. No. Another great throw. Well, water type. Did I catch the Furfrou? No. Hold on, let me get him with an excellent. Oh no, oh no. Well, they don't like me tonight. It's cool. It is what it is. Alright. Stats, no zeros. If you want to see the zeros, go to yesterday's episode. I showed them. And I also went through my hundos too. No new hundos. Let's see, is my egg about to hatch? No. But for my level, I am at 24,263,333 out of 25 million. Getting close to that level up, yo. I'm getting close. I'm gonna do some evolves and grind my way there. Until then, on the next adventure, like and subscribe for more. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you in the next one. Oh, Swaddle. It's not a shiny. Peace out, y'all. Peace.